Toyota's legendary sports coupe is back, leaner, meaner, and more exhilarating than ever. Introducing the 2025 Toyota GR86, a machine crafted for purists, engineered for thrill seekers, and designed to dominate both the streets and the track. With a perfect balance of power, precision, and passion, this new iteration of the GR86 builds upon its legacy with refined aerodynamics, improved performance, and cutting-edge technology. At first glance, the 2025 GR86 commands attention with its bold and dynamic design. A revised front fascia features sharper, more aggressive lines, while the sleek LED headlights and wide stance enhance its intimidating presence. The sculpted hood and improved aerodynamics ensure optimal airflow, reducing drag and increasing stability at high speeds. Toyota has also refined the chassis, making this GR86 lighter, more rigid, and even more responsive. Underneath its striking exterior lies an enhanced suspension system and lightweight alloy wheels, specifically tuned for maximum grip and handling. The engineers at Gazoo Racing have worked tirelessly to refine the vehicle's balance, ensuring razor-sharp cornering ability and precise steering response. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or pushing the limits on the track, the GR86 delivers an unforgettable driving experience. Powering the 2025 GR86 is a naturally aspirated 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, now refined for even greater efficiency and responsiveness. Producing an exhilarating 250 horsepower and 185 lb-ft of torque, this beast roars to life with an unmistakable sound that sends shivers down your spine. Paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or an upgraded automatic with paddle shifters, the GR86 ensures every shift feels crisp and precise. Step inside and you'll find a cockpit designed for true driving enthusiasts. The driver-centric layout, sport bucket seats, and tactile controls make you feel connected to the car like never before. A new digital gauge cluster provides real-time performance data, while the intuitive touchscreen infotainment system keeps you connected without distraction. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and premium audio ensure that your journey is as enjoyable as your destination. For those who crave the pure joy of driving, the 2025 Toyota GR86 is a dream come true. With its improved power, precision handling, and aggressive styling, this machine isn't just a car, it's an experience. Whether you're hitting the open road or pushing the boundaries on the track, the GR86 is built to thrill. The wait is over. The legend continues. This is the 2025 Toyota GR86. Are you ready?